Hi everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we've got the Gel Box UK box for, oh my gosh, what month is it? November. It is November, isn't it? Yeah, just have to check. So yeah, we've got November's gel box. I'm so excited to see what's in this one. These boxes are always so good, as you all know, if you, one, receive them, or two, watch my videos of me receiving them. They're always such good value. I will leave the discount code for these boxes on the screen somewhere up here or down here, or you know, just somewhere, and you can get I think it's 15% off, I think, which is obviously really good. You can either get a box every now and then whenever you want one, or you can get one every single month. It depends which one you want and which one you'll pick on the website. But let's have a look what is in this month's box. I love the colour scheme of this one. It's absolutely beautiful. But all the boxes are stunning. I always feel really bad getting rid of them because I could just keep them forever. In fact, I do keep them for far too long. I've got the last 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got the last 4 still because I haven't brought myself to get rid yet. But anyway, that is amazing. I love that. I'm going to stick that somewhere on my desk. So this is a sneak peek of what colours you get in the box, because with whatever colours are in here, you can create the nails that are on this basically. So that's a nice teaser. Did a really bad job at undoing that neatly, but never mind. Right, what goodies have we got? Oh, we've got a little bow clip. You can just see the clip under here, look. We've got some foil. Always use foil, it's so popular. Oh, we've got the lids, that's handy. So we've got the lids to put, they're the lids for the last ones, I assume, because they didn't come with any on. So we've got lids on these ones, and now I've got lids for the last ones. Very helpful. Thank you so much, Gel Box UK, for sending those. And here we've got a double-ended nail art tool, and we've got a dotting tool on one side and then a brush on the other. I like brushes like this. Sometimes if they're a little bit too thick, I will cut a few strands off and I'll use them for manoeuvring my builder gel on nails and stuff like that, so they come in really handy. We've also got a cuticle oil. The cuticle oils from here are always absolutely stunning. Like, they smell divine every single time. I've never not liked one. So yeah, definitely recommend those. So obviously we've got 4 colours. Let's just pop. Let me just make sure there's nothing hidden in here. Sometimes I miss things. That's fine. Right, let's put them back in. So these boxes are such good value, especially with my 15% off discount code, because obviously you get them for even less. That's another one to add to the pile of pretty boxes. So let me just get some swatch sticks. So I've got my swatch sticks. Let's just zoom in a bit more now, and also get my lamp. That would be useful, wouldn't it? I'm just going to go in with the first colour. I do put them on the underneath of the swatches when doing swatch sticks, just because I'm too lazy to top coat. And obviously you don't need to if it's underneath, because you'll just use the plastic tip as your gloss top coat. So I'm just going to do the first coat of this colour, zoom in even more. So this one is called Regal Rose, and it is a beautiful shade of red. Obviously this is going to go down very well at this time of year because everybody wants red. November, December time. I don't know how many times I'm going to actually paint this, but that is the first coat of that. Obviously, I don't really like to look at it like that. I always put my hand under it because your nail obviously has colour underneath it. It's not clear. So I like to make it a bit more realistic on how it would look on a nail instead of a clear stick. The next colour is called Winter Garden. Just rolled it between my hands. This looks right up my street. I love a blue. Oh, look at, oh, gosh, this colour is so creamy. I mean, to be honest, I'm really not actually that surprised because these colours always are. And also, I don't know if I remember to mention it in every video that I get them, but these bottles are 20 millilitres big. Like, they've got so much product in. I think it'd be near on impossible to run out of one of these colours. But that is a stunning blue. You open it in the bottle as well so you can see it. It's really difficult to catch the sort of colour it is, but it's like a really, really beautiful navy. Next up we've got, I'm going to say Jolie Boudoir, Jolie, I don't know, but we'll go with that. It sounds about right. It's got to be one of those, surely. Probably not. I've probably just looked really silly. It might even be a silent J. Might be pronounced holy. I don't know. Anyway, luckily I'm not here to give you language lessons. If I was, I wouldn't be doing a very good job. But this is like a beautiful deep mauve sort of shade. I'm trying to get it as thin as I physically can because I find it easier to see the shade on camera when it's really, really thin instead of when it's like perfectly full coverage. So I'm just trying to really thin it down so it's more realistic colour wise on camera, but it's proving difficult to get it to look how it's meant to look, but yeah, it's beautiful. You just have to take my word for it. Sorry about the noise in the background, by the way. Haven't had to apologise for it for absolutely ages, but it is the washing machine. Very much looking forward to working from my home, where I won't have a washing machine in my nail room, but obviously I am also very grateful that my mum and dad have allowed me to work from their house, even when I don't live here anymore. Very, very grateful. But yeah, I am looking forward to not having the washing machine in the background. It is actually getting closer and closer that I'll be working from my house as well. Just putting the finishing touches on the room that we've had to have built for it. And obviously once it's done, I'll be getting straight in there and I will do a video all about it. So if you do have any questions about it, we've had a conservatory built. Got to go through the rigmarole of getting permission from the council and all that sort of stuff to run a business from it and things. So if anyone does have any questions at all, do send them over and I will compile a list and do a Q&A when it comes to it. Cannot wait to show it to you. I am also planning on doing an updated video of my house in its entirety as well, like the rest of the house as well, for you to see everything that I've done, because I did say in my last video, which was ages and ages ago now, that I would update you when it was like coming to an end sort of thing, and it is at the moment. We've done a lot, but it's all been worth it. This is the second coat of Regal Rose, did I say? I'm sure that's what it's called. It's an absolutely beautiful colour. I just know that everyone's going to love this shade. Stunning. And then next up, again, we've got Winter Garden. Yeah. Oh, you can see that it's blue on camera actually, just not quite how beautiful and creamy the formula is, but most of this brand of gel are. Obviously the neons, not all of them, but a couple of them, like the really bright yellow and stuff like that, are a little bit different in consistency, but the coverage on all of them is still really good no matter what they're like. So that's always good. No one wants to be sat around doing 100 layers of polish. Especially if you're doing nails as a business, because you don't want to be spending that much time on one client when you could be doing multiple. I am actually going to be changing all of my swatches soon, and to be fair, back in the day, like when I first started this channel during lockdowns, I used to film so much variety of content. I am well aware that that sort of fell off really quickly. Obviously when we reopened after lockdowns and stuff, life got a lot more busy than it was when I wasn't working at all. But I do intend to bring different types of content back, like organisation, stuff like that. I just haven't had anything to organise for quite a while because everything's just been as I've always kept it. But obviously I will be having to pack up all of my nail room and unpack it all again in the new nail room at my new house. So all those videos are still yet to come. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do and turn on your notifications bell as well, ready for when all of those videos make a comeback. But yeah, I've also got a giveaway coming soon as well, and it's actually the biggest one I've done. Like the box is rammed full because I've been putting it off, and I'm finally ready to do it. So there's lots to give away. I'm just waiting for those to cure. Once they are done, I will get them out and show you the end result of 2 coats of all the colours. I actually think in terms of usage, this box might potentially be my favourite box, because I know that all of my clients are going to love all of these colours, because they're all just absolutely beautiful, especially for this time of year. Like, this is the perfect timing for this sort of box. They are stunning colours. So obviously you've got your nude for the clients that like to be nice and neutral. You've got a red for the Christmas red clients, and then we've got a dark blue and a dark purple for the ones that maybe want something a bit darker with some snowflakes, but they don't want Christmassy too much with the red. So you've got a mixture for everybody, which is absolutely amazing. So we've got Regal Rose on the right. We've then got Kiss from a Rose on the far left, Winter Garden next to Regal Rose, and the one that I can't pronounce is the second in from the left. So super impressive, all those colours. I don't even know what I'm trying to do at this point. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed seeing what is in this month's box. I highly recommend, as always, the products in these boxes are always well worth how much the boxes are per month. And like I said, you can just get one whenever you fancy. So if you fancy treating yourself for Christmas, maybe get the December box. See how you like it. If you do love it, then you can start a subscription, or you can just keep getting one whenever you feel like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye.